Pelican is known for making some of the toughest but also some of the most expensive cases out there. So I put their budget Vault V100 case to the test to see if it lives up to the Pelican name. So first things first, the build. Is it quality? Durability is always number one for me. So this case is built with high impact polymer, and to the touch it does feel really strong. It's also crush proof, dust proof, and waterproof. They say it's not fully waterproof like their Protector series, and that this one only is good for like splashes and rain. But I floated this thing in a river and tried to drown in my bathtub, and it did great. I found no leaks or anything, so it's a very conservative rating. So you got some pretty heavy duty polymer latches that close with a satisfying click. They absolutely do a good job of sealing the Pelican off and keeping pressure down. After a couple years, they have not got loose one bit. It also includes stainless steel locking rings on each of the corners. And I found that two Master Lock 630Ds that are 1 3/16 of an inch fit perfectly on this case. So they actually come in 6 different colors. You got your black, your dusk, your gray, your OD green, your tan, and your yellow, which the yellow actually looks a little on the orange side. I don't know if that's the picture I saw on their site and on Amazon, but regardless, they have a lot of options to pick from. So I use this case for 2 main things. One's for transporting my EDC, so it fits my handgun, 2 spare mags, and a box of 50 rounds of ammo. And it's good through TSA, complies with all their regulations, and I haven't had any issues at any airport or any airline. So I also use it to transport my DJI Mini 4K drone, and it fits the drone, the controller, and the batteries with room to spare. So I have noticed they do use a softer foam in this model. Their Protector and Air series use a harder foam. I haven't noticed any issues with this, but that's something to keep in mind. So it also includes a pressure equalization valve that is usually seen on more expensive models. Now this is a tough case, and I sure would hope so coming from Pelican. Now I've dropped it, tossed it, thrown it, submerged it, and I've had no cracks, leaks, issues, minor scuffs and scrapes, but it really looks just about brand new. Now it's not mil-spec certified like the other higher end models from Pelican, but it definitely punches above its weight class. Now if there's any other specs I might have missed, go ahead and pause the screen here and you can see all the listed specs for this model. Okay, so I'm going to recap some of the pros and cons of this case. It's got rugged, durable construction. It comes with customizable foam. It's got a good latch system, and you can also lock the case. The pressure equalization valve is a really nice feature, and it comes at a great value where you can find these well under $75 on places like Amazon. So I'll have that link down below. Now, to be honest, I haven't really seen a difference besides the design from their higher end models. It feels a little bit bulkier. It's not as streamlined maybe, but it's, from my experience, definitely right up there with the toughness. So some of the cons. They claim it's not totally waterproof, just kind of water resistant to like rain and splashes and stuff. But again, in my testing, it's done really good with the waterproofness. It is a little bit bulky, especially when you compare the outside dimensions to the inner dimensions. And the foam feels a little cheap. It's not as dense as their other models. But all in all, if you're like me, it's durable and it's at a good price point. And those are the main things I look for. Hey, and if you got the Pelican V100, let me know your thoughts on it. Put those down in the comments, help everybody else out. And for everyone else, I hope you found this video helpful. That's all I got for you. I'll see you in the next video.